Amphenol ICC's new Lynx QD series are connectors optimized for differential pair signaling and set a new standard for density and flexibility. This innovative interconnect solution supports data rates of 56 gigabits per second PAM4 and provides a 4-row differential signaling structure in a compact 2-row footprint. They are available in right angle, coplanar, and vertical stacker form factors, and SAC heights from 4mm to 15mm to deliver flexibility for the toughest design requirements. Lynx QD offers an innovative, high-performance solution in 20, 40, 60, and 80 differential pair position module sizes, making these connectors ideal for data centers, telecom, car navigation systems, imaging, and gaming machine test equipment applications.